It's the 9th at the pre-hearing session of petitions by the People's Democratic Party, Labour Party and the Allied People's Movement, challenging the emergence of the All Progressive Congress's candidate, Bola Tinubu, as the president-elect. The courtroom fills up gradually with lawyers and some party members waiting for the commencement of the day's proceedings. The 5-man panel of justices arrive and first treats the petition of the Allied People's Movement. Just like other parties, the APM streamlines its witnesses to just one person and requested 3 days for the witness to testify. The Independent National Electoral Commission and the All Progressive Congress says they will be calling 1 witness each, while the Council to Tinubu will be calling 3 witnesses in 4 days. Done with the streamlining of witnesses, the court turned its attention to the applications by the PDP and the Labour Party, asking for live coverage of the court's daily proceedings. The court dismissed the application on the grounds that there was no regulatory framework or policy direction permitted it to grant the application. It further held that the petitioners failed to establish how the live coverage of the proceedings will advance the case, adding that live broadcast will not add to the determination of the petitions, plus the fact that the request was not part of the reliefs in the petitions before it. Another matter before the court was that of consolidation of the 3 different petitions before it. The president-elect and the All Progressive Congress opposed the move, insisting that merging the petitions will affect the ability to effectively defend all the issues that were raised by the petitioners. They added that the petitioners did not only raise various issues, but are seeking different reliefs. The PDP believes consolidating the petitions will help for expeditious hearing, while the Labour Party, APM and INEC have left the decision to the discretion of the court.
The court, in its wisdom, decided that the subject of our application, i.e. the live streaming and open telecast, is not in any way connected with the merits of our petition. The petition is separate, it's ongoing. The application did not succeed to have the televised version of the proceedings relayed to the entire world.
The court says it's a policy matter. We are not part of the policy-making apparatus of the court, or any court for that matter. We are a council, and our duty is to bring whatever requests we have to the court. If they agree, we say as the court pleases. If they disagree, we still say as the court pleases. So that's the position. They have disagreed, and we are moving on.
The pre-hearing session at the Presidential Election Petition Court has finally ended. It has now fixed Tuesday, the 23rd of May, to give its report, during which it will state its position on the 3 surviving petitions before it. Emanuela Ekele, Channels Television News.